Hello, everyone, and thank you for joining me today. My name is Michelle. Today, we're going to look at Connect and Lead, our company's strategic plan for workplace communication, and how improving the way we talk to each other directly drives team growth and returns for our shareholders. First, let's take a look at why communication matters. Think of it like the plumbing or pipeline of our daily business. When information flows cleanly, our teams make fewer mistakes, collaboration goes up, and we hit deadlines faster. Ultimately, clear communication directly protects our bottom line. Now, where does this start? It starts with our supervisors. They have two massive responsibilities. First, they have to translate our big picture corporate strategy into simple daily tasks for their teams. Second, they have to align everyone and handle team conflicts before they slow down projects. To be successful, supervisors need to do a few key things. They must practice active listening, actually hearing employee challenges instead of just giving orders. They also need to adapt their leadership style to different experience levels and build a safe workplace where people aren't afraid to report mistakes early. Next, let's talk about team growth. We are going to walk through Tuckman's model of team development. This is the exact playbook our supervisors use to turn a group of individual workers into a highly coordinated team. The first step is forming. Think of it like the first week of school. People are polite, a little quiet, and unsure of boundaries. At this stage, the supervisor acts as the coordinator, setting super clear rules, timelines, and goals to ease everyone's initial anxiety. Then comes storming. This is when the honeymoon phase ends and work habits or opinions start clashing. It's totally normal. Here, the supervisor steps up as the coach, helping the team talk through conflicts and align their personal goals with the project. In the norming stage, things settle down. The team starts to trust each other, respect different viewpoints, and accept feedback. Now the supervisor acts as a facilitator, stepping back slightly to let the team make their own day-to-day decisions. Finally, we reach performing. This is where the magic happens. The team is running at full speed and solving problems on their own. The supervisor now plays the role of the delegator, getting out of the team's way, removing big systematic roadblocks, and focusing on long-term growth. Two collaborative practices. To get teams to that top level, we suggest two simple activities. First, goal alignment workshops to map out everyone's strengths. Second, weekly debriefing loops, quick structured huddles where the team talks about communication, bottlenecks, and immediately clears them all up. Looking at our own company, we have some fantastic strengths. We've successfully set up fast messaging tools like Slack and Microsoft Teams. This has given us immediate horizontal access across departments, allowing us to solve simple problems in real time. However, we also have weaknesses. Even with great software, our employees face heavy digital fatigue from constant pings and emails. Additionally, corporate silos mean that great ideas and discoveries in one department rarely get shared with the rest of the company. We can overcome these barriers with a few clean techniques. We must set rules for our channels, like using chat only for quick updates and emails for formal news. We also need to cut down on confusing department jargon and use centralized wikis so information is easy to find. If we make these changes, the payoff is clear. As you can see, optimizing our communication can boost our operational speed from a slow 45% to a highly efficient 95%. This directly cuts waste and speeds up product delivery. By making communication a key strategy, we build a faster, stronger company. Thank you so much for your support and partnership. I would love to open up the floor now to any questions or feedback you might have. Thank you.